Institutional players know we're in a bull market, so they want your bags. How to prevent them from taking it. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Da Vinci. I'm in the pipe 5x5. Staying alive here in Dubai. Man, it's been a great weekend. I spent it with family, and I'm doing this show a little bit earlier for the people who are watching this live, only because, I'm just hosting my family here in Dubai. So with that said, hopefully you guys have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and also, seasoned greetings to all those people out there celebrating the holidays. Thank you for watching. And yeah, I'm going to be going over some news today, and also going over why you should hold your bags and what is going on in the market and what you should do about it. Also, how to trade this on levex.davincij15.com, where you could also follow me there and also participate in this live show, and also at bybit.davincij15.com. Make sure you get some ID, because, governments everywhere are blocking you from getting into crypto because, institutional players, right, are slowly wanting to buy. They're realizing that they need to buy. And if you are buying, well, that's the problem. That's a big problem, right? Such as MicroStrategies and stuff like that. They're slowly cluing into that. And so they have to manage the price down for you guys. And that's why, our org and waffles have all taken a beating, same with PayPay. But, right, this is how the market works, right? When things are really down, things are pushed down in order to, get rid of the weak hands and only reward the strong hands, the people who believe. So that's a way our market is. It is about fear and greed. They create fear, so you sell to the strong hands, and they create greed, so you buy when things are going high, right? So that's just the way it is. And then you sell again, right? And you go, oh, I lost everything. And then they get to buy all those Bitcoins that they sold to you and more at a lower price, right? Because they know it's worth, right? Whilst you don't. Most people don't. Okay. What happened to Bitcoin's Santa rally? Oh my God. Historically, the fourth quarter of the is Bitcoin's best. This year it's underperforming. Oh, well, keep in mind, we've actually performed very well in the last quarter here. We're, close to 100K, right? Yes, we're at 96K right now, but everybody was wondering whether or not it was going to happen just 3 months ago. Historically, the fourth quarter has been the most bullish for Bitcoin, with prices up by an average of 85% since 2023. Yeah, well, an 85% gain from here would mean what? 85%, 85,000 or 180,000? Jesus. The last week of the year tends to see at least a 3% gain on average, but the past 5 out of 6 have seen declines. Yeah, well, it is what it is. Whether it goes up, whether it goes down in this time frame, it's irrelevant. Bitcoin will do its thing and do extremely well. Okay, what's important is this is how much crypto users grew in 24, according to Flipside's on-chain analysis. The crypto industry grew remarkably in 2024 amid rising coin prices, but the same cannot be said for on-chain users across most relevant chains. Interesting. Base and Ethereum take the lead, right? During this year, Base also attracted 15 million users. Well, Base was pretty much new to me and most people in 2024. So obviously they got a huge number of users. The super users executing over 100 decentralized finance transactions. This growth was 38% more than that of the next chain, Ethereum, which only saw 10.7 million super users. Well, yeah, I mean, it is. Here's the thing, right? Most people, I think, went over to different chains, and a lot of people are not. I mean, whilst we're getting a lot of people coming in, it's not as big as it used to be, and it will come because here's the thing: the big industry players are in this market now, so they're buying up the coins on the cheap, right? So that they can sell it to the average idiot who waits until it's like, oh, they're telling me to buy. The corporations are telling me to buy, so I'm going to buy. And so that's the way it works. And then, they dump their coins once they see prices go down, and then the corporations get to buy it up again, cheap, right? So on the other hand, Bitcoin acquired users grew by only almost a million monthly, despite Bitcoin's BTC's historic surge above the 100K level. Now, this goes on to say that during Bitcoin's major rally in March, the network saw a 19% uptick in acquired users monthly. Unfortunately, Bitcoin acquired users dropped 28% during the post-US election rally in November. Damn, whilst it was rising. God damn. Okay, Bitcoin's social sentiment drops to yearly low, signaling BTC breakout. Yes, this is good because here's the thing, right? As I said, right? They don't want you to buy when it's low. They want you to buy when it's high. If you don't believe that, ask the people who bought XRP at $3, right? Because XRP they were advertising, hey, buy XRP, right? And here's how to do it. From CNBC when it was $3, not when it was 50 cents, not when it was 25 cents, at $3. So you can expect that they're going to do the same thing to you who don't buy any when Bitcoin's at $300,000. That's just the way it is. Social sentiment around Bitcoin has hit its lowest point in 2024, which could signal an incoming recovery above the 100K mark for the world's largest cryptocurrency. Yeah, there it is. And we've seen this, right? Vocal traders are now showing severe FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that's good news for contrarians who know markets move in the opposite direction of retail's expectations. Boom, there it is. They're explaining it to you. So, with that said, don't let them steal your bags. Hold on to your Bitcoin, hold on to your Ethereum, hold on to your Solana. They're going to do well. Okay, let's move on to the technical analysis for today. Make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com. Oof, look at the red across the board in the last week. Everything's gotten brutalized, but this is the time to start picking up some low-cost assets and holding them for the next bull run. Let's take a look. So as you can see, Bitcoin has broken down from its upward trend here. And so we have to look for a downward move, or we're going to have to go sideways for a little bit of time. This is how markets work. They will consolidate after a bull run, and then they start their bull run once again. So we're going to have a little bit more consolidation probably here with Bitcoin. If we start to break down, the worst case scenario is that we break down to the $76,000 mark and then continue its run back up again. So with that said, make sure you don't go with heavy leverage because that is normal. We were talking about that on the weekend or last time that a 40% retrace, 30% retrace is normal. Okay. Closing it off with Ethereum. Again, it's the same thing here. 30% down move is normal for crypto. So be ready for that. And if you are, you can survive this. And you can actually buy with a small leverage, even 3x at these lower levels here and take this thing to a lot higher because, Ethereum is at least going to go to 5K. So you might as well get a little bit of a payday from that. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.